Yo! What up? Dude, there's no way I'm doing great. How's everybody else? Dude, there's no way that actually somebody just followed me on Twitch, bro. Someone just followed me on Twitch, bro. When the heck do I ever stream on Twitch? Like, what the heck? I mean, shout out to 600 LT, I guess, but whatever. Oh, that was you? Oh, hey, thanks. Appreciate it. So, tariff news overnight. Uh, Big fatty dump. So, oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. No, I never stream on Twitch. Dude, Amy and I are so sick. You guys, I really wouldn't be surprised if this is like kind of what we're doing right now, which is putting in this sell side LRLR, and I'm not really too sure how much bearish or bullish PA we're gonna get today because of the tariff stuff. So as long as this gap is holding, then I'm gonna expect us to go lower. Oops. What do you guys think about the starting screen picture? Amy had this made because she was trying to see if this company makes lights that like they would make lights like this. Bro, imagine that would be so sick. Just right back there. Whoo. You know, as soon as I can find somebody that wants to pay me for an arm and a leg, then we can buy those lights because holy cow. They're like $1 million bajillion. But guess what? The Saturn ring lights do quite fine. Morning, love look. How are you? I did attempt this 30-second short on paper this morning, and it was break even. Oh, dude, that's pain, man. I'm sorry. I've literally done that so many times. So this was the attempted play here, right? But as soon as we took out this intermediate term low here, this is the break even point because once we sweep this low, oops. Okay, bro. Once we sweep this low, we don't know if price is going to continue through this gap or not. So once we sweep liquidity right here, you have to go break even. So unfortunate, but good try. 19 points. Like that was like the best break even of all time, though. You know, Even though it did end up coming down and working here, you still never hit final TP, and this is just mad choppy. Like, sitting through this would be terrible. Plus, it stopped out, so. Gave that a try, woke up, saw price action, and was like, bro, this is... I already don't really enjoy trading fundeds on Fridays anyway, so I was like, bro, this kind of just confirms it. So, maybe. If I see something decent, I might try it on... Maybe I just won't copy trade. I'll just try on a single set today. But I'm not letting you guys distract me from taking a play anymore, alright? So if I see something, I might be taking it and I might be locking in. So you guys might have to see me staring at my screen like it owes me money for a minute. But we'll see. It's gotta be... I'm not taking anything less than A+. Amy knows the look. I'd be like... And you definitely owed me money today. That's funny. See, and then look, like, here's another decent attempt, right? But breathes deeply. Here's another decent attempt, right? But pretty much everything is just going break even. Like, you sweep this low, you go break even, you get break evened. Did I catch the 5 minute long? No. Where? This? Wait, where? This? That wouldn't have been bad, actually. But this is garbage. This is not a bad play, though. Really. Because there was a ton of relative equal highs up here. And you have delivery from down here. This 5 minute that was holding like crazy. So. Plus we're in discount. I mean, it's at least an A setup. No SMT, not a macro time. Swept this. Yeah, it's a good trade. I know, dude, so close. No, the SMT on the 4 hours is crazy. We've had bearish SMT for several days now. What's good, Robbie? Oof. Okay, wait, I see what you're saying here. You talking about this right here? You talking about this right here? You talking about this right here? Yo. Yo. You guys know what this means, right? I'll type it out. Oops. It means full port longs. Wait, where did my... Yo. Did you guys see that? How did the chart do that? What just happened? Dude, that was weird. What the heck? All right, nah, but for real, you want to know what I think about that SMT? Yeah, exactly. Here's what I think about this SMT. I think we're gonna break it. Probably not today, but um, 50% tariff news is not bullish news. Okay, so we have a bullish SMT in this big 4 hour, which is a pretty bullish signature, but sometimes you can't fight the news. So I literally wouldn't mind seeing like a, you know, or something like this. But in order to look for shorts, what do I need? I need more sell side liquidity. So the more I'm seeing market doing this, while at the same time holding bearish gaps, the more bearish I want to be, baby. Hope we see that next week. More long opportunity. I want a short. Hats flooring. Hots? Hats? How do you say it? Is it hats or hots? I feel like hots is cool, but that was a good unicorn on 32nd. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, that's what's going on here is we're doing some trend line trading, guys. All right. Do 50% at the next lower 4 hour swing. Pretty please. Bet. From here, you mean? Are you talking about from the... Oh, wait, I see. I know what you mean. Sorry. Like this? Yeah, you see that? Amy's onto something here. Like this. We come up, we dump down, we take out this SMT and tap into discount, then get longs. Ooh. I like it. I think that's what you're saying anyway. Is that what you wanted to see? Sorry if I messed up. Yes, and also, why that low? Why this low? Because it is a major swing low inside of a major bullish FVG. So this is the low that started this entire run up. So that's why you drop it here. What up, Jacob? If you haven't watched episode 1 of the Educational Clips series, make sure to do so because tonight I'll be dropping episode 2. Alright, sorry. Trying to find a balance between like actually trying to promo stuff and not being mad cheesy. You know what I mean? Like how does one be a YouTuber? 4 hour swing high at 2 a.m. to current swing low. Oh, she wants a bear. She wants a bear. Okay. Two a.m. Why can I not find 2 a.m. on my chart? this. Bro, I am... You guys, just wait here. I'm so sorry.
Look at it. Right here.
Oh, from 2 a.m. today.
Yeah, look at where we're swinging from.
Oh.
50% from today.
I thought you... I'm so sorry. You guys... I'm a dingleberry, dude. This is literally all she wanted to see. And it took me that long to figure it out. That's diabolical. Oops. So, as you can see here, there's absolutely zero algorithm. None at all. You see what I'm seeing too, Amy? You guys ready to have your ICT algo minds blown? Ready for this? You see this 4-hour consequent encroachment, right? 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 Now what's this? You see this gap holding price down? Guess where the CE of that gap is also? There's the sauce! Bro. Okay, bro. You're welcome for the enigma. So dumb, dude. The brain is huge. Come on, sweaty spaghetti, where you at? This is Rocket League price action, bro. What are we doing? We should be balling up. My reminder went off to listen to a verse of my audiobook. Amy, I'm about to send you a DM. You guys want a sneak peek of the... You guys want a sneak peek of the... No, we're not engaged. No way! I just sent Amy a DM and her response is the me Dougie gif. That's crazy. Look at Amy's reply. Okay. Dead, bro. It's so funny. Wait, have you guys seen the middle finger one? The middle finger gif is also really good. Let me find it. Oh, I can't find it. Where's the middle finger gif? Sweaty Spaghetti, send me the middle finger gif. Wait, maybe he has. Where is it? I need it. I don't know where it is. Baby, do you have it? Can you can you DM it to me? That one is so funny. Uh, dude. Wait. Wait, why am I showing you guys on my freaking phone, bro? Look. That was too funny, bro. Alright, guys, what's the constant theme during these streams? Slow, choppy price action. What's new? Again, we're still just doing this, right? FOMO? Bro, I'm tripping. Chop 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 chop. Whoa, you guys. Midterm short opportunity on Bitcoin or what? Bro. Look at all these lows down here. Listen, for fun, I'm about to just... I'm about to just like get in on paper just to experiment. 1 Bitcoin? Bro, come on. Bro, what's going on here? I should already have... There you go, 500. That's what I'm talking about. What? Oh, we can't do that on Sharon Trades' account. She doesn't have enough margin for that. Okay, apparently I don't either. Okay, well, we're just gonna give ourselves a bigger account. And we're gonna see what it would be like to sell 500 Bitcoin short down to here. And just like that, we're done for the year. Holy smokes. Freaking imagine, bro. God. Anyways, let me get back to reality so I can focus up here. The pain on that. Guys, imagine having the leverage, bro. One day, I swear on everything. Maybe Seth sent me a message and said, I sent you a new song. I apparently only make UFC walk-in music now. all this, all this stuff lately's been all aggressive. 90% off of a 100K Diamond Hands account. Okay, so that's an account that you can hold positions overnight. You can swing trade on. $36 for a swing trade account, 100K. Imagine swing trading futures, bro. Sketch. Asking for trouble. Dude, I love how my YouTube sends me an email to let me know that I'm live. Appreciate it. This is really, really, really low volume, you guys. Not very exciting. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Guys. Charlie Brown! Charlie Brown! Come here, Charlie Brown! Hey! Come here! Happy birthday, Charlie Brown! Yeah! Woohoo! Okay, see ya! Yeah, he does. He can do videos featuring Lammy, his stuffy. Dude, you guys, these candles are so dead. Like, what's a guy supposed to do, huh? What are we supposed to do when these candles aren't doing nothing? Does anybody else see this vision at all? This is so choppy, dude. Imagine. Come on. Excuse me. I want to get some sort of manipulation move out again to look for a short as well. But since you are in a short, I will support that. And so that was technically the inverse there. Does anybody see this vision? I swear I do. Break evens here. It does look good. See ya. No way, that doesn't even hit the BE. Bruh. Yeah, this is so bad, dude. What the heck? Like, no way we don't just rip through this right here, right? Come on. Bang, there's the BE. I almost bet this is a BE play, to be honest. And there's the BE. Boo! This is so bad. I feel like I still see this vision though for some reason. Like close above that. Yeah. Did anybody try that out of curiosity? Very interesting attempt. I mean, it looked good mechanically, but everything else was kind of weird. Momentum was good. Delivery was good. Targets are good. Not V shape, but this play actually wasn't bad. To be real. Maybe I'm just saying that because it's working. It's kind of hindsight, actually. These candles are really, really slow. So I guess I can mark out the. This is like a B setup. Maybe B plus. But somebody was in here yesterday and we were talking about how pretty much you can get 25 points like all the time. Let's just see if that still stands. I feel like at this point it would be very odd not to come after these highs, right? Here, wait. Oh, I can't put it over. So, price barely taps into this 30-second BPR and just rejects. All right. That is not a very bullish look. Ooh. Excuse me. Sheesh. Rejected. Actually, I'm going to leave that marked. Dang, this 30-second BPR is a beast. You guys see the difference in these candles just from this to just these last two? The difference in like price action. When candles are looking like this is when you want to be trading, not when they're just doing this. You want to see movement and good direction to want to go somewhere, or good momentum to want to go a certain direction. You don't want to trade this chop, this wiki back and forth crap. Wait, guys, should we have Charon Trades try a trend line trade here? What do you guys think? Should Charon Trades take a trend line long? Oh my gosh, our Bitcoin position is getting absolutely destroyed. Jeez, this is so bad, dude. LRLR trade for Charon. So should we short here? Because I need to step away for a second. Yeah, we're gonna get Charon in on this. .35 35 point stop loss. And we'll go for our we'll just try and go for like a 1 to 2. So Charon's in on this short, you guys. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna just be right back. But we got the Charon symbol up, so we know what's good here. We're not gonna hold to all this run because I don't trust it, and Charon shouldn't either. So, but yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. Aw, poor Charon. That's all right, you guys. Charon is still doing great. I don't care what anybody says. Charon is still $30 in profit. Okay. Her risk management is very, very sound. See this? She never loses very much. But yeah, not sure about the call on that one, Sharon. Look at this, you guys. I knew we should have done the trend line trade. I told you, dude. I knew it. Had the line drawn. We couldn't even inverse this last 1 minute. Yeah, for real. I mean, if you think about it, right, you could have like the smallest stop loss in the world. This is already 3. This is already 3R. 20 points is 3R already. Bro. Trend line 2 minute long. Trend line 2 minute long. Trend line 2 minute long. Oh my god. Now we're not going to start degenning on stream. That's not how we behave. Yeah, for real. We're not going to act out on stream, Oksano. Okay. We're gonna trade like a professional. We're not gonna trade like Charon. Actually, Charon's trading pretty well. I can't lie. Her risk management is better than a lot of people that I know. She sticks to her 15 to 20 point losses, and that's it. Nothing more, guys. You should take notes. Honestly, I'm about to start taking notes from that. That's W, bro. 15-point hard stop. Psh. Keep the losses exactly the same, and there's a guarantee that my winning plays will for sure be higher than 15 points. So, what kind of R is 15 to 25? Yeah, because low key, if I could get my R up a little bit, I'd be happier with that. 1 second, guys. My bad, you guys. I had to work out some stuff with my kiddos. Yeah. I might start a trend line eval. I want a trend line eval. I think if you wanted to do that, I think the fast track evals on ETF are 90% off right now, I think. Or no, any non fast track eval on ETF is 90% off, I think. You could literally grab one of those for a trendline account. That's super cheap. It's like 1650 or something for a 50K, I think. It's not bad at all. Charon Trendline. Trendline Charon. I like that. This 30-second BPR is holding pretty tough, but once we wreck through that, obviously we plan to take out this high here. So I'm not gonna lie. Earlier this morning, I told Amy that this would be my ideal scenario: is if we built in some trend line here, and then we came up, took out these highs, and then got a short. Oh no, wait. Amy said that she wanted to see these highs get taken, then get a short, which did work, but we just happened to bounce the trend line, and there was no actual good setup except for this 30-second, which was a break even. You guys, this trend line is gonna get destroyed. I'm fiending to listen to a verse of my audiobook, I can't lie. They're always so refreshing. But I'm not gonna make you guys listen to that. Even though you probably should. I would recommend it. Guess what? It's change your thoughts, change your life. Dr. Wayne Dyer. That's so good, bro. It's literally so good. Like, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of the times, the inspiration for my psychology rants will come from the mindset that I am developing from listening to this book. I mean, a lot of it is also just from, I guess, who I am and my experiences and stuff. But I'm like really, really just focused on like that growth mindset. And the more I focus on developing that, the less I'm like thinking about trading all the time. And Amy and I have been talking to this about this lately, but I really need to like just normalize trading in my brain so that I don't like care about it so much. I like put like trading on this like pedestal that it shouldn't be on, right? Like we're just here to do a job. It's not about It's not about like accomplishing something special every day. Like we're just here to execute our model and just be done, right? And so I need to stop like making it all just like I don't want to make it like this some special big deal, right? Like it's just a job that I do every day. It's literally just a job. Is it the best job ever? Yeah, but it's still just a job. So, pretty good momentum. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't come for this. Might need to clip that for a short later, to be honest. That was a good little rant. Where we at? An hour 5 in. Dang. I just saw your DMs. Yeah, it's really good momentum. So for sure, coming after this high now. Trading on pedestal and start stressing when I'm losing. Nah, bro. Think about this. What are you doing to? What is your goal with trading? Right, you're gonna make money. What do you get any other job for? Right, to make money. So why would this be any different than a job? It's not special. It's not like I don't know. It's just not as special as I'm making it out to be in my brain. Like it's just a freaking job, and I just need to treat it that way. And I think my mindset will be healthier around trading because of that. Wonder if we just made an SMT or not. No. So decent candle movement. However, obviously nothing for me to touch here. So see this, dude. You guys. Ooh, this is why I can't stand trading NY lately. Right? Every time you think these targets are gonna freaking hit, they don't. I seriously can't stand it, bro. Like NY is just so diabolical lately. Like just freaking rip it, bro. Why you gotta do all this? Why you gotta do all this faking out and stuff? Like just freaking take out the high, bro. Jeez Louise. Oh no, man, we're gonna just rip through this 30-second BPR that's been holding for days, and then we're gonna chop some more after. Okay. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Good talk, NQ. Good talk. It's not normal. It's just been like that lately, bro. Like, I swear, Asia and like London have been so much cleaner. Even PM. But AM and I don't know. Most of New York session has been just so average lately. I don't like it. $15 viewers in the chat. W, appreciate you guys. Really? Like, for real, I do. Just to be, like, transparent when you're doing stuff like this and you feel like nobody's watching, it's a little, like, it kind of bums you out a little bit. So when you do see people are watching, obviously it's a good feeling, so I appreciate it. I even just told Amy that last night. I was like, I feel like I'm like losing views, or I feel like my sub count's going slow or something. She's like, nah, like just keep doing your thing. I'm like, yeah, I guess. Like I just get excited about it. It's fun. But I also don't want to get like that impatient mindset. Like I'm just doing this to do it. It's not like I'm expecting too much. Obviously, it'd be cool to do something, but the main goal is to be a trader and share my experience on YouTube, not be a YouTuber that trades. If that makes sense. Like I want to focus on my mindset and trading as my priority and share that experience on YouTube. I don't want YouTube to be my thing. I want to trade. Oops. All right. So we're like about to rip this high. And don't get me wrong, I love doing videos and stuff. Like I really enjoy trying to make people laugh and just be like goofy, and I also really like when I feel like I'm helping others. So don't get me wrong, I love doing the YouTube stuff, but I identify as a candlestick, not a YouTube vid. Okay, that was stupid. Bro, this is crazy work. This is diabolical. Dang. Oh wait, actually, I think we might have got an SMT. No, we didn't. Dude, imagine. I would love to get an SMT at this high, and then get a short. I would seriously love that. Nothing very obvious on any time frame to even like consider taking right now, honestly. This is just pretty bad. Rule number one, if you don't look at the chart, thinks you don't care, and it hits target. Yeah, dude. Can't even reach CE of, I think it's a 5 minute? Yeah. Can't even get to CE of this 5 minute. Price is pretty weak right now. What the heck? How's how's Tickwizza? How's Tickwizza gonna be just gone for days and then come back and the first thing he says is, "Hey guys, what are the rules for self promotion in here?" What the heck? Okay, bro. That's interesting. What? That's weird. What a wild way to return, bro. Like I was borderline about to kick him, but I didn't. Like kick him for being inactive, but I didn't because I like him. He comes back and says that. What? Weird. I'm not trying to be judgy or nothing, but weird. All right, chat. What's your dream scenario? Let's hear it. What do you want to see for the rest of the day? What would make you happy? What would be a setup you would take if you got it? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I want to see my P&L go up. Valid. Super valid, actually. Can't lie. Really not much to say right now, guys. It's after 10 now, so maybe well, okay, it's after 1 now, so maybe we'll get a little bit. I'm done for the day, but I think I would take something if PA clears. Yeah, I think that I would try something if we got it, but no copy trade. Yeah, it's way too choppy. This is donut conditions. For sure, this is donut conditions. And if you don't know what I mean by that, then you could be the donut. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Donuts type 1. Let's go. Donut squad. Only 3 ones in the chat is crazy. Bro, if we don't take out this high today, I'm not gonna know what to feel like, honestly. We a box of wait. We got more. We're like a baker's dozen in here. It's a baker's dozen of donuts in this chat, you guys. Dibs on being a maple bar. That's all I'm gonna say. You guys could be any other style of donut. My friend Seth texted me and said that my my live stream picture is looking like he said this guy looking like Sith Jar Jar Binks. And then he sent me this. That's so funny. All right, chat. If we don't come after this high right now, I'm gonna end the stream. If we don't rip this high, I'm gonna delete my channel, bro. Come on. What are we doing? And you guys, there's no way, right? Like this has to hit, right? I don't know what I'm gonna say if this doesn't hit. Stop loss is my channel. Yeah. That's actually mad funny, I can't lie. Bro, what is this doing? Bang. Alright, so there's that. Easy read there. Please give us an SMT. Do we chase, chat? Cool, I don't have to delete my channel, so that's good. So I am going to mark this because I really like it. So if for some reason we were to come down and get a V shape through this, dude, I would definitely take this because got a good break even. We got a crap load of LRLR below. We're delivering from a gap to the left. We just swept buy side. So all right. Sheesh. I'm like low key. low key locking in a little bit here, chat. Let's see what happens. So we are moving. Wonder if we'll see. I guess honestly, what happens inside this gap is gonna tell us a lot. To be honest, because if we rip up through this gap, dude, we're way more bullish than I thought. Basically, so if for some reason we rip up through this 1 hour, then I'm like not even gonna know how to feel. Which, if we do rip up through this 1 hour, we have this fatty bullish SMT down here on the 4 hour time frame, then I would definitely be bullish to here. And then here, if we can go through that. If this, then that. Pretty easy, right? If we inverse this, I'm bullish to here. If we don't, I'm not. Not too confusing, right? Did we do this? Did we do that? Yes or no? If this, then that. Kind of like a computer script. Hint, hint. Computer coding. Sorry, not script. I don't know. I guess that's probably the same thing. Chat. My ADHD is kind of popping off a little bit, and I need to just kind of walk around for a minute. So give me just like 2 minutes, okay? I'll be right back. I'm sorry. We back. Jeez. Jeez. Damn. This is just ripping. Damn. We're getting some action. This is annoying, PA. Yeah, we're just ripping right now. It's just hard because there's no really good like liquidity targets until way up here because we had such a big move down, you know? So it's like there's no highs over here that we're sweeping. We're just pumping up through this gap right now. And it's like, are we just going to target this high or are we going to get a rejection? So it was a void. Yeah, I feel like it was because it was pretty much like a news drop. It was a tariff drop. This is a huge dump. So I like You just wonder if we're gonna like fill this whole void or not. Basically, it's hard to know if this is a void or like a bearish gap. You know, like we could just want to fill this whole thing. This looks pretty bullish right now. Anyway, I agree. You should really be able to do it yourself, that indicator. But for new people, it's great to use it. Not good for long term though. If we inverse the 30 and 15, would you look for a long? No, I don't. I don't do entries on that big a time frame. I use the 15 and above for bias, not for entries. Marvin. Yep. You know what I did to learn light bulb and V shape was I just documented my trades for the last 5 months. Wait, yeah, yeah, jeez. Literally over 5 months, I've been taking screenshots of trades. That's crazy. Like consistently. I didn't even think about that. You guys, the market is making me not know how to feel right now, and usually that means I shouldn't be trading it. And like, I'm not trying to make an excuse. Like, if I see something fire, I'll take it. But this is right now. I really don't know what we want to do. So, like, yeah, I don't know what to do. This price action isn't worth ruining my weekend before it even starts. Yeah, man, for sure. Take it easy. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it a lot. So, we'll just keep being patient. Um, if it's not a F yes, it's an F no. Right? Just like a F no way there's no coffee in my mug. Yo, baby, what it do? These candles are dog doo doo. I'm bored, baby. How about you? I'm really sorry that I do that to you guys sometimes. I don't know why it happens, but my bad. Every time I do something like that, I instantly regret it after, so I'm not sure if that makes it any better or not, but okay. So, I'm not sure the market wants to come down right now, to be honest. This is um I guess we're not down that much. I thought we were down more than that. I mean, I guess we were. This 4 hour bullish S&T is crazy. Later, Jacob. Have a good weekend. Bro's gonna miss out on a banger. I'm just kidding. Guys, I don't know what. I guess it's possible we're coming after this. We'll see. It's another 40-ish points. So definitely possible. Definitely doable, like, before the day's over. So we'll see. Okay. Maybe we get a little AMD here. Really wouldn't mind that. I'm going to go back to this 2-minute here again. So here's 10:30 or 1:30, whatever it is where you're from, or whatever you want to look at it. It's 10:30 for me, so I always say PST time. I'm sorry, but it's 1:30 now. So PM session is officially starting for Friday. So we'll see if we get any better candles now. This 2-minute has me on the edge of my seat, bro. I genuinely really think I would like this. Probably just go to there. Not risk bouncing at the trend line again. Low key chat. How's my Bitcoin? Oh my god, my Bitcoin is getting destroyed. You guys, absolute fail. Good thing we got $10 million to run with. $10 million paper Lambo dollars. My paper hedge fund money.
This 2 minute is looking juicy.
So no close there. Just kind of a rip. Oops. In fact, I don't even think the 1 minute inversed. Yeah, so can't inverse this 1 minute. We're not inversing this 2 minute. We might just keep grinding up. Like, we tapped into this gap and we've just been reversing out of it. Now, if this little gap here holds, and then all of a sudden we just get like a dump candle down through this and we close below, I'll be a little more convinced. But right now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I feel like mechanically this looks good, but I feel like I'm a little just confused by today still, so... We will wait and see. We will not force anything. Don't know if I don't know if shorting is the move today. It's like this 2 minute long. I don't know. If this candle right here, if on this candle right here we would have came down and closed below, that would have been my F yes moment, to be honest. I was going to take that. I had my finger on the trigger. But we did not get it. So, we no get F yes, we no take. Pause. Chat's about to get the order filled. Order filled sound. Chat. My heart's beating. What's up, baby? Oh. Can you turn your volume down, my love? Well, chat, we got stopped out there. That's okay. Thought it was worth a try. I tried it. Took a 20-point loss with 6 micros. No big deal. Gave it a try. Gave it a try. This is our job. Sometimes trades win, sometimes trades lose. I want to feel annoyed, but I'm not going to let myself be annoyed because I liked it and I tried it. Just wrong bias right now, apparently. Glad I had a hard stop set. Mm-hmm. That would not have felt good. Definitely saved by that stop out. Holy smokes. You guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm feeling some type of way, like I want to try and make my money back, and I think I'm just gonna shut my computer down and walk away for the day. I don't want to like pretend like that didn't bother me because it did. So I'm just gonna stop. You guys cool with that? Just gonna like get started on my weekend and move on from it. Yeah. The only thing, I'm not really irritated, I guess, but I just am feeling like I want to try and do more and I don't want to. If that makes sense. So, GG's, we're gonna call it there. I hope everybody has a good weekend. That was a long stream anyway, so good time to walk away, I think. I just kind of know how I know how my self-control has been lately, and it's been not very good. And so I took a trade, I set a hard stop. It's an L. That's my system. I have to stop for the day, dude. Yeah, I took the 2 minute, you know? So, let's see if this keeps ripping. Yeah, imagine this still dumps.
I think it will. I just don't know when.
See, look, now actually, look, why is this one better? Because now we actually have an SMT too. Wait, no, we don't. Never mind. Ignore me. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, I need to walk away from the charts, okay? I can feel it. I can feel that I gotta walk away. I can feel that I gotta walk away right now before it's too late.
I'm a little sick.
Yeah, it's just not. I can feel it, bro. I got no shame to freaking press this button again, and I don't want to. So, love you guys. Have a good weekend. I gotta bounce. All right? Later.